It's what we got to do. It's nice to see a good cause, good alignment, cool art, and NFTs and blockchain space all overlap and align in a way that can actually drive progress and drive projects forward and actually make a difference for those people that are just hell-bent and dedicated and determined to do so. Let's face it, it's pretty much our own will, and how we direct that, how we direct our attention and our willpower is pretty much the only really thing that matters in a certain way. Yes, you need to know things. You need to be aligned with people. Knowledge is power. You need to know, you need to have experience. You need to have direction. But even with all of those wonderful and super important ingredients, I would say the most important being quite literally your own will and intent and focus, and where you're able to put your focus and intention, whether that be first and primarily on learning so that you can gain some mastery over some new tools and experience, experiment and gain experience so that you can have a better understanding of maybe cause and react, like cause and effect, and what you're able to do and what effects you're able to bring into the world. But overall, from my observations in this wonderful metaverse simulation that we call the real world, or real IRL, this IRL metaverse with its incredibly high resolution, high definition, seemingly limitless polygon count. My observations that I've had in my own life is really that the world shapes around us. And in this simulation we call IRL, it is very much the intention and will that we put forward in our own determination that is quite literally the difference of things coming into being or things staying in that realm of a thought, an idea, or an ambition.